Hello there, boys and girls. It's time for some trivia with some past tense verbs. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you some infinitive form verbs, and you have to write the past tense form of those verbs. I'm going to show you 4 possible answers on the screen, and you have to write down the correct past tense form of the verb that you see. And there are 20 verbs you are going to change. So get a piece of paper and a pencil and write the numbers 1 to 20 on your paper. Leave enough space so you can write a word that's maybe 6-7 letters long. I'll give you a few moments to get ready, and if you need more time to find a pencil and paper, you can just pause this video. Okay, we're going to get started. Number 1. What is the past tense form of the verb is? On your paper beside number 1, write the past tense form of the verb is. Now the answer will be, was, were, or wawa. So which one do you think is the past tense form of the verb is? Write your answer down. Okay, here comes number 2. Number 2. What is the past tense form of the verb are? Be, was, were, or awawa? Go ahead and write down your answer on your paper. Okay, moving right along, here's number 3. Number 3. What is the past tense form of the verb break? Take a look at the screen and pick one of the boxes. One of those answers is right. One of those words is the past tense form of the verb break. Write your answer quickly. Okay, time's up. Number 4. Number 4, the verb is bring. So which one of those, brought, brote, bringy, which one of those is the past tense form of the verb bring? Write your answer on your paper now. Okay, time's up. Number 5. Number 5, what is the past tense form of the verb buy? Like when you go shopping, you buy something. One of those 4 words down below is the answer. So write which one you think is the past tense form of the verb buy. 3, 2, 1, time's up. Number 6. This is a tricky one. Cut is the verb. What is the past tense form of the verb cut? It's a tricky one. Go ahead and write which one you think is the past tense form of the verb cut. 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. Number 7. Okay, the verb is do. Which one of these is the past tense form of the verb do? Do, did, doed, or do-do? Go ahead and write which one you think is the past tense form of the verb do. Okay, that's all the time you get. Number 8. This one should be pretty easy. What is the past tense form of the verb eat? Look carefully and write your answer on your paper now. What is the past tense form of the verb eat? And time's up. Number 9. Okay, the verb is fall. Which one down below is the past tense form of fall? Fell, fill, full, fa la 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 la. Which one's the past tense form of fall? Okay, write quickly because we're moving on. Number 10. We're halfway there. Fight is the verb. What is the past tense form of the verb fight? Look carefully. One of those answers down below are correct. So which one looks right to you? Okay, time's up. Number 11. Okay, the verb is find. What is the past tense form of the verb find? Pick which one looks right to you. Okay, 3, 2, 1, time's up. Number 12. Number 12, the verb is give. What is the past tense form of the verb give? Gave, gove, givey, gravy. Pick the past tense form. One of those is the right answer. It's not gravy. Okay, time's up. Number 13. This one we've talked about a lot. So what is the past tense form of the verb go? Goed, went, want, or go-go. So when we're using the past tense, how do we change the verb go? 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Number 14. What is the past tense form of make? Look down below and write which one you think looks correct. The past tense form of the verb make. Okay, write quickly because your time's up. Number 15. This one's kind of tricky. The verb is read. Now, if we're talking about the past tense, which one of those at the bottom is the past tense form of the verb read? Okay, I'll give you 3 more seconds. 2 more. 1 more. Time's up. Number 16. The verb is sleep. What is the past tense form of the verb sleep? Slept, sleepy, slipped, or sleeped. It's an irregular verb, so we're not going to add the ed. Okay, time's up. Number 17. The verb is build. What is the past tense form of the verb build? Bud, built, builded, or building. One of those is the past tense form of the verb build. And your time's up. Number 18. Okay, the verb is see. What is the past tense form of the verb see? See, saw, seesaw, or see? What is the past tense form of the verb see? And your time's up. Number 19. Okay, the verb is teach. What is the past tense form of the verb teach? Look carefully and write your answer. One of those 4, teached, taught, teachy, or teaches. Which one is the past tense form of the verb teach? Okay, that's all the time you get. Number 20. Last one. Woohoo! The verb is write. What is the past tense form of the verb write? Writes, wrote, righted, or write? So go ahead and write the past tense form of the verb write. Hopefully you will be right. Okay, 3 more seconds. And time's up. Now let's check your answers. Number 1. Number 1, the verb was is, and in the past tense, it changes to was. As an example, Donald was angry yesterday. Number 2. The verb was are, and in the past tense, it changes to were. Donald and Kyan were silly yesterday. Number 3. The verb was break, and the past tense form of break is broke. Donald broke a window yesterday. Uh-oh. Number 4. Bring was the verb, and the past tense of bring is brought. Donald brought a dog to school yesterday. I wish. That would be fun. Number 5. Buy was the verb, and the past tense of buy is bought. Donald bought a chocolate bar yesterday. So yummy. Number 6. Cut. The past tense form of cut is cut. It doesn't really change. Donald cut his finger yesterday. So that is a tricky one. Number 7. Do. The past tense form of do is did. Donald did a good job yesterday. Number 8. Eat was the verb, and the past tense of eat is ate. Donald ate a hamburger yesterday. Number 9. The verb was fall, and the past tense of fall is fell. Donald fell off his bike yesterday. Number 10. Fight is the verb, and the past tense of fight is fought. Donald fought a dinosaur yesterday. Number 11. Find was the verb, and find turns into found when it's the past tense. Donald found $5 yesterday. Woo! Number 12. Give is the verb, and the past tense of give is gave. Donald gave me a present yesterday. Number 13. Go is the verb, and that turns into went. Donald went to the zoo yesterday. Number 14. Make was the verb, and the past tense of make is made. Donald made a mistake yesterday. Oops. Number 15. Read is the verb, and that turns into read. The spelling doesn't change, but the way we say it does change. So the right answer is read. R-E-A-D. Donald read a book yesterday. Number 16. Sleep was the verb, and sleep turns into slept. Donald slept at school yesterday. Number 17. Build was the verb, and that turns into Built. So just change the D to a T. Built. Donald built a house yesterday. Number 18. See turns into saw. Donald saw a monkey yesterday. It was cute. Number 19. Teach is the verb. Teach turns into taught when we're talking about the past tense. So teach turns into taught. Donald taught social studies yesterday. And number 20. Write turns into wrote. Like you just wrote a lot of past tense verbs. Or Donald wrote homework yesterday. Good job, boys and girls. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.